Yo, I got a cousin that's like 350 pounds, and he snores. He's had sleep apnea. He has a whole snoring machine. And I swear this guy, he snores so loud, bro. I thought it was impossible for him, to be honest. I thought he was going to have to lose all his weight, change his life for him to ever sleep well. I thought he was doomed, but I had some mouth tape last time he visited from New York. He tried it, and he didn't use the mouth machine, and he said he had better sleep than his $1,000 mouth machine, sleep machine, snore machine, whatever you want to call it. And that's pretty impressive to me. So if you got a big back friend, I'm going to link some mouth tape for him or her.